This is an unboxing video of a mouse which I really needed for my setup over here, small setup where I make the YouTube videos for you guys. So this is a Logitech MX Master 3 mouse. It's a very professional mouse which I really didn't want it, but it's a good mouse for making YouTube videos and doing some work on it. I mean, it manages very well in all the operations it has. So yeah, this is Logitech. So let me take it out. But before we take it out, I mean, the box is quite attractive and good looking. I mean, the serial numbers over here at the bottom, then the picture of the mouse and the logos and everything, and then a small description at the back of it as well. So it's very simple looking box, and then it's a plain black box over here with a logo in front, and that's it. So when you open it, voila, there's the mouse. You can see the mouse itself and a extra Bluetooth connector if you don't have a Bluetooth device in your computer, so that is used for that. So, and then over here we have a charging cable and some manual which I'll show you. So this is the mouse. As you can see, it's Logitech, and then at the back there's a sticker right now which has some operating system, I mean how to install it and everything on the Bluetooth. And then this mouse is workable on 3 different computers at the same time. So yeah, let me put the sticker on the box to keep it safe. So here are the 3 buttons. The first one is for the power on and the Bluetooth button, then the sensor in the middle, which is quite accurate, what I've heard, and then the button over here which indicates the light, I mean number 1, then you press again, it's number 2, I mean it's beeping if you have to connect it to the Bluetooth, and then number 3, and then again it's number 1. So it's a very unique looking look from the underneath as well. I mean, these patches over here, 4 patches, they are quite soft, I mean to maneuver around on the desk. So it can be moved on the glass as well, any kind of surface, I mean whatever the surface is, this mouse will going to work. And then in the front there's a USB-C connector for the power, which the cable comes in. And then this is the mouse, you can see, with silver chrome, I mean silver steel ball over here, scroll, and on the side as well there is a scroll as well on the side for the horizontal scrolling, which is quite good, which is the reason I bought it for. This is the only reason I bought this mouse for, and which is quite easy and to maneuver around in the Adobe Premiere and Adobe Photoshop and many other softwares when you are doing editing as well and you want a horizontal moving. So this is quite useful for that. And these 2 buttons over here are for the front and back. For the, if you are browsing, so you want to go in the back, you can press the back button, and then if you want to go in the front, you can press the front button. So yeah, and then there is a button over here as well, which I'll show you in the software how it works and everything in the computer. And overall the body is quite good. I mean it's a rubber material and it's very good. I mean it grips very well, as you can see. It really grips well, and really attractive mouse, very unique. And over here, I mean it rotates the scroll, I mean it is very accurate and very fast as well. If you want to scroll a huge file, I mean you can just spin and it will keep spinning, and it will move down very fast and very up as well very fast. So that is a very good thing, and it is very accurate, and the sensors are very accurate on this. So it is very good, and it's very soft. So yeah, so this is the box. Let me keep it over here. But before we pack up the box, I'll show you the extra USB connector. If you don't have a USB Bluetooth in any computer or any device, you can connect it from there. And in this you get a USB to C type charging cable. So, and then there are some manuals which are about the mouse and everything, the opening and everything. So yeah, it's recyclable. Everything in this box, the box itself is recyclable, which is very good from Logitech. They make everything recyclable. So yeah, so let me put it over here, the cable over here. So let me show you the software it has and describe. I mean, you can download that from logitech.com and it will take you step by step. I have already downloaded it, so here it is. So it's giving the battery life sign over here as well the Bluetooth sign. So if you click, it will move further. So these are the options. I hope you can see it on the computer. Middle button and everything, you can do everything. I mean, let's see over here. Recommended middle button, shift wheel mode, and all the tasks and everything are over there. I have set this mouse on these programs where the horizontal will work. Almost every programs I have in my computer, they will going to work horizontally as well. So shift more wheel button, this small button over here is a shift wheel button, and this button on the side, there's a click. I mean, over here there's a button over here. So the gesture virtual desktop, when you click it, you can see it's a virtual desktop. I mean, everything is there, whatever you are doing and everything comes up, and if you press them again, everything will come back to its normal position. So yeah, so point and scroll, these, I mean, you can set up the speed and everything of the sensitive value and everything, standard, inverted, scroll direction, inverted, standard, all of these kind of things. I mean, you can control everything on this software for this mouse. Oops, I closed it. Very few models give these kind of things, and this is something where using same mouse on two computers, I mean, shifting from one place to another computer, the data, you have to set it up. Actually, I don't have any other computer, so I never bother to do it. So let's talk about the settings. These are the settings, port and everything is over here. Remove device and reset to factory setting, restore settings and everything. All small details are over here. But the main component, I mean, main things you're going to find over here. I mean, the speed and everything, like I've set it on 50% default. Yes, so the pointer speed and everything, which is on 55 normally, I keep. So yeah, and this option over here is add application, something else. Yeah, these are the softwares which you can further add on this. So applications, whatever you want to add according to the settings you require. If you change the settings and everything, you can add the application over here, which is quite good. So yeah, overall it's moving is quite smooth and everything. So it's a very good mouse, I mean, to have, though it's very expensive in the price, I mean, but the quality you are getting and everything, it's very good. I mean, really like the shape of it, really sleek, I mean, attractive, sporty type of a mouse this is. So yeah, and the waves over here really keeps your hand smooth and everything, and air is flowing because of these waves over here designed like that. So overall it's quite good, and the battery life, they say that it's quite long, so I have to check. and right now it's giving the battery, so let's see how long this will last. But overall it's a very good mouse and I recommend this mouse. So for the pairing, I mean, you have to get the Logitech mini key or key mini key or master key keyboard. That is the same pairing as this, and they work together. So I have ordered the mini key version because my old keyboard is Apple Magic and it's in white color, and this one I was looking for white but I couldn't find one, so I only got this one. So I have to pair them. I mean, they look nice. I mean, two different color doesn't look nice, so I have to pair them together. So that is the reason I bought the mini key as in the same color. Sorry for that. So yeah, so I hope you have enjoyed the video and it was good enough for your information. I recommend this mouse. It's a good mouse, very sensitive working mouse. This is the first day. I'm quite happy with it, but let's see in the future what happens. So yeah, I will do the review of this mouse soon, in a month or so, with the output it gave me in the month, whatever that it is. I will discuss it with you guys. But till then time, take care and goodbye, and please do subscribe to my channel, and you'll be seeing some unboxing videos as well in this because my setup needs an upgrade, so I was trying to do that. So there are a few things coming as well, so I will be doing a video on that as well. So till then time, take care and goodbye.